Welcome to the Millionaire Library members area. Right now you must make sure that your account is activated so that you get full access to the Millionaire Library. Once you have paid your 199 Rand 30-day activation fee, you will get access to the following. Number 1, your own fully set up and done for you Millionaire Library affiliate website. Number 2, access to more than 130 digital books valued at over 22,000 Rand, which you can download and keep for life. Number 3, a simple system that makes it possible for 3,905 people to pay you between 20 Rand and 50 Rand every single month, potentially making you an average of about 78,250 Rand every month. And number 4, you also get access to weekly payouts of your earned commissions, which will be paid directly to your bank account. Remember, all you have to do to potentially earn 78,250 Rand is to refer just 5 people using your Millionaire Library affiliate website, which will be created for you as soon as you activate your account. It only costs 199 Rand to activate your account for 30 days. After 30 days, you simply pay another 199 Rand fee to extend your membership for another 30 days, and so on. The goal is to make sure that you make more profit from your Millionaire Library business every month than the 199 Rand fee, which you will be paying for the products and platform access. During the 30 days that your account is active, you will be able to withdraw your earned commissions every week straight to your bank account. Activate your account today and instantly get full access to your Millionaire Library business system and unlimited access to 130 digital books.